Hi there guys, in today's video of VinylCut, we'll be looking at the tiling effect. Let's just have a quick intro first. So today's video can be found on softwaretraining.co.za. You guys will notice we've got a variety of different softwares we do cover, and we do upload videos daily, so just keep an eye there for any new content. Otherwise, back in the program here. Now the tiling effect is great to use. Let's say you have to print a vinyl for a sticker or something like that, but it is way larger than your vinyl cutter can handle. So then you might have to cut it into a few tiles and then stick individual tiles next to each other, so you can actually get the design at the right scale. So to do that, we'll be going on top here to effects, and then you navigate down to tile, or tiling rather. Then from its properties, let me just open this a bit larger so we can, okay, this one doesn't allow you to open it, so we'll just have to zoom in. Anyways, we have a few options here. So under the settings, we first of all have the columns and rows, and we have options here: evenly spaced, fixed width, or custom. So let's first look at evenly spaced. So now if we increase this amount, let's say of our the columns, you can see on the actual mat here, now we've chosen 3, so it breaks it into 3 evenly spaced vinyls or cuts. So then you can obviously, if your thing is vertically high as well, you can just increase the vertical amounts as well. And then if we set this back, say to 1, and then next up we've got fixed width. Let's say your vinyl cutter can maybe cut max of, let's say, 11 inches or so forth, 11.5, or rather say 12. So then you'll set this maybe to something like 11 or 11.5 inches. And then once we click out of it or press enter, then you'll see here now it breaks it into each cut will be 11 inches and the remaining will be the rest. So that's also that's quite nice if you go fixed width, if you know exactly the dimensions your cutter can handle. And then last up we've got your custom. Now custom is this is quite handy. Let's say you've got a big vinyl and it's got some areas that's very complex, like a lot of detail. And what you can do with these ones on top here, you can isolate the tiles yourself where you want to cut. So we've got horizontally and vertically, and the one with a line that goes straight through will cut a line right through your the design. And then what you can do is with these ones, you can cut up to a line. So let's say you had a lot of detail in this top corner, but you want to isolate it from the rest. Then you can use that one. And now you can see you've got a cut there, and then you can always click this one and cut the rest, maybe in equal parts again. So then you can easily isolate details, or you can also with a little X on top, you click that, and then you zoom in here, you can click on areas to remove it. So then you can, for instance, remove that, and then let's say this had a lot of detail but this one's not, so then you can also do something on that line. Then we also have the option to reset. If you didn't like the settings, you can just reset it. I'm just gonna put it to evenly spaced. Let's just put 3 of them. I just want to set now. There we go. And then to finally finish, we've got the little export button here that you can use, and this will export it to a Svg file. Just locate where you want it, or you can we go back to effect there, or you can go make pages. If you click this, it will make a page of every single cut, which can also be handy. And then if you just click OK, then it will, if we go to our preview, okay, we won't be able to see it. Yeah, I forgot. If we go to say you got your cutter, so you've got your cutter set up, you click on cutter, and then under these options you have to go to tiles on top of the top panels, and you say cut tiles. Now you'll see it breaks each tile into its own cutting. So if you just click OK and you don't export it, or you don't save it as individual pages, then this is how you'll go about it when you finally want to cut it. Then you'll know, okay, cool, we'll cut 1, 2, 3, and then you have your individual cuts, but make sure you go to your top panel to tiles and enable the cut tiles option there. Otherwise, yeah, that is the basics on tiling, or using tiling for cuts. And then we navigate to VinylCut.co.za. The program is freely available there. Just head to the downloads page. Otherwise, if we go to softwaretraining.co.za, this program or this video tutorial and more like it is available here. And like I mentioned earlier, we have a variety of different softwares we do cover. We also have a nice little search option if you want to isolate your search, looking for something specific. Or if you don't find what you're looking for, just go here to request a training video, and then yeah, we'll make that for you. Otherwise, thanks guys for watching, and cheers.